reconnaissance, monitoring from ground, surface and water objects for endurance of up to 10 hours. The main features of this UAV is 4 different payloads. First one is the one with the camera, photo and video, infrared, and the ESC communications detachment. The second and the third one, they are changeable, about 5 minutes to change one. First is gyro-stabilized camera for a day overview, and the second one is infrared for night overview. The main characteristics of this UAV are this one. The takeoff weight is 80.6 kgs with a payload maximum 4.5 kg, and endurance time, as I mentioned, 10 hours. And this equipped with an internal combustion engine with a lift and equipped. Yeah. It also provides the missions for reconnaissance, as I mentioned. It can be information about flight to provide the ground objects such as air bases to monitoring them, and provide the communications to about 30 command posts